In this video, we are doing a spot trading tutorial on the Bitunix exchange. If you want to receive new user perks, I recommend you create a Bitunix account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive sign-up bonuses. Before we do any trading, we first want to understand the fees we will be paying with our orders. So let's just scroll down and head to fees. Here we can see spot and futures fees. We will just pay attention to spot trading fees. We can see it says maker and taker fees. Maker fees apply when you place a limit order, while taker fees apply when you execute a market order. Depending on your account balance and your 30-day volume for your trades, there will be different fees. For the basic level, you'll be paying 0.08% for a maker trade and 0.1% for a taker trade. Looking at the spot dashboard on Bitunix, we can see up here is where we can find the tokens that we want to trade. If we have some favorite tokens that we like to trade, we can star them like this and head to our favorites, and it'll be a lot easier to trade. Up here is the market price, 24-hour change, the 24-hour high, low, volume in BTC terms, and volume in USDT. Here is the trading view chart that is built into Bitunix. Over here on the left, you've got your drawing tools. Some things you can do are you can draw trend lines, mark support and resistance with horizontal lines, or highlight zones using rectangles. Up here is your time frame selector. You can switch from time frames like 1 minute, 15 minutes, and 1 hour, depending on your trading style. This is where you can choose how you want your chart to look. So you can trade with candles, bars, columns. Again, whatever you prefer as a trader. Here is where you can add indicators like the 52-week high and low and average price. You can create alerts. And in the chart settings, you can customize candles, colors, and layouts however you prefer. A cool feature that Bitunix has is you can trade and look at multiple charts at the same time. So let's say I want to look at ETH and BTC. We can move to split screen. We have BTC on the left. We have BTC on the order book, and we can buy and sell BTC. We can also now change BTC on the right to ETH. We can see now we have two charts. The order book has switched to ETH, and we can buy and sell ETH. Having multiple charts open like this lets you watch and trade different markets at the same time. So instead of switching between tabs, I can track something like BTC and ETH side by side, compare their moves, and instantly take a trade on whichever one sets up first. It's especially useful for spotting correlations, reacting faster to opportunities, and just staying way more efficient as a trader. For this tutorial, we are just going to stick to one token, which is Bitcoin. On the right here, we have the order book. The order book shows all the current buy and sell orders on the exchange. The green is buy orders, where the red is sell orders. It helps traders see supply and demand at different prices. New on Bitunix is the last trades section. The last trades section shows the most recent trades happening on the exchange in real time. It could help traders quickly see the current pace of buying and selling in the market. Now to get to our order, there's two different types of orders. We have a limit order and a market order. A market order buys or sells instantly at the current market price, where limit orders let you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell at. They are placed in the order book, where the trade will only execute if the market reaches that price. For this tutorial, we will be doing a market order, as we want our order to execute immediately. We will be buying 250 USDT worth of Bitcoin. We can see I have this box ticked off that says TP and SL. This is a take profit and stop loss order. Take profit and stop loss orders help manage your risk automatically. A take profit closes your trade when your profit target is reached, while a stop loss closes the trade if the market moves against you. So for example, right now Bitcoin is trading around 67,200. If I make my spot purchase around this price and I'm happy with the profits when Bitcoin hits 100,000, I can put in the 100,000 price here. And we can see that this means Bitcoin will be up 48, almost 49% from its current price. And I will make about 122 USDT on the trade. For our stop loss, I want to limit my losses at 50,000 BTC. So that means once Bitcoin hits 50,000, I will be sold out of my position at a 25.5% loss, and my estimated P&L will be about 64 USDT. If we want to get a bit more advanced with our take profit and stop loss orders, we can click here. This is where we have a choice to create our take profit and stop loss orders by P&L or by change. We created ours by change, but if we did want to create it by P&L, we can decide we want to make about 150 USDT on our trade. And that should take Bitcoin's price to 107,500. Same with our stop loss. I don't want to lose more than, let's say, $70. And that will take our price to about $48,300. This is just a preference for the individual trader on how they prefer to set their take profit and stop losses. We also can use a market or a limit order. We are going to stick with market and confirm our take profit and stop loss. Now that we've added our take profit and stop loss, we can buy BTC. We have placed our order. Under assets, we can now see our BTC buy. And under open orders is where we can see our take profit and stop loss order. Here's where we can modify it or cancel it. To sell our Bitcoin, we can just head up here, decide on the amount we want to sell, and then sell our BTC. Again, under assets, we can now see that we have sold our BTC and we are mainly back into USDT. If you want to get the best bonuses when signing up to Bitunix, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.